Redfeather from Grep. In this Krita video, we will be showing you how to configure Krita for the project you are working on at the time. This will mean that some knowledge of the intended project is needed before opening Krita. For example, will you be saving just a PNG or developing an animated video? And or what will the purpose of the PNG be? Will the PNG or animated frames be used in a video, or will the purpose for the project be to post on a social media platform? Notice, as I have opened Krita and clicked on Create New Document, the default setting of Krita is 1600 by 1200. This is most likely good for any social media post. But what about videos? Let me show you what I mean. I have two videos, both rendered from Krita, one rendered at 1920 by 1080, and the other Krita rendered at the default of 1600 by 1200. As you can see, I have imported both of these videos into our video editor, Kdenlive. So let us take a look at the difference between the two. Notice the Krita video rendered at 1600 by 1200, you can see what some call black borders. Whereas the Krita video rendered at 1920 by 1080 has no issue because of the proper dimensions. Sure enough, this could be solved by placing a distort, as I will show you in a minute. Although adding a distort to a video is much more time consuming than placing one in a PNG. A quote out of the Krita playbook is, "A little prevention goes a long way." And some may be thinking, at the render of a Krita video, there is the opportunity to change the size there. Although this places an argument within the Krita program itself that may or may not cause further issues not discussed in this video. Notice I have brought into PNGs into our Kdenlive video editor. The dimensions are the same as our videos. One rendered from Krita at the default setting of 1600 by 1200 and the other at 1920 by 1080. Notice as we take our 1600 by 1200 and add a distort to our Krita rendered PNG, so as to remove what some call black borders. As I have mentioned, using the distort on the PNG is quite easy, but on a video to add the Kdenlive distort is a bit more involved. But if you would like to learn more about adding a distort to a video, please see our Kdenlive videos on how to remove black borders or what are black borders in Kdenlive. So once you have decided what your project will be used for and you know the proper dimensions needed, open Krita, create a new document, in the size and width, place your proper dimensions needed. for your Krita project. But keep in mind, once the dimensions are changed, Krita will recognize this as your default setting. So these settings should be considered per project. I hope you have enjoyed this Krita configuration tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? And ring that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, after all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1. Thank you in advance. I am out.